Hey, you fucking cat! Let go of my balls! What? Wait a second. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, where am I? Oh, my balls! What are you looking at? Hey, what are you looking at? Oh, you were throwing a bad dream, and you... Never mind when it goes, oh! Nah, just kidding, just whatever. I'll feel myself out. Yeah, you fucking dogs. If, beefing and shit, whatever you beef, like a rope but a professional toilet. Time will teach you then furniture, fuckers a lesson. And how, okay, and how to die.
Meow, he's dead.
Yeah, could be a trick. You better rip it a favor, shredder, to be sure, yeah.
Meow.
What? My pack! Huh? What are you supposed to be? Let it cough him like this, bad boy veg bitch! Fucking dogs! You came back after everything, that's what I said! Oh, come on, Rocco, just say it, or you're going to call a ball left forever! A ball left forever? Wait, what's ball left forever? Okay, look, I am so sorry. I was just so scared, angry, confused. I lash out right now, and my great mate. Can you leave to forgive me? Apology effect. Now what the hell can do about all of this fucking cats?
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow,
Meow, meow, meow, meow, meow.
did some tennis shit. Why don't they attack us?
Meow, meow.
Because they try not to fight like motherfuckers. If that's meowy, it's trying to lower them to give it some kind of another chance. I think it's working. Then you will be suspected. The attacker of a mad, uncontrolled rage of feeling. I can't move.
Meow, 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 meow.
Yeah, get him. Let's get the fuck out of here. Fucking dogs!